Hi everyone, I'm Divya. Welcome to my channel, The Food Mile. The International Women's Day is up, so I decided to choose a healthy brownie recipe for all the beautiful ladies out there. It's eggless, gluten-free sweet potato brownies. Let's get started. As we are making eggless brownies, we'll be using flax eggs. Just dissolve 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed in 6 tablespoons of water and set aside. Let's assemble the dry ingredients. Coming to the flour, we will be taking 3/4 cup of oat flour and 1/4 cup of cashew flour. Please check the description box on how to grind the cashews. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Give the ingredients a good whisk. Now, in another bowl, we'll take 3/4 cup of sugar and add in the prepared flax egg mixture. 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1/3 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, and the main ingredient, 1 cup of boiled and mashed sweet potatoes. You may feel the brownies will taste like sweet potatoes. Well, let me tell you, unless you know they are being added, you really can't tell. Now let's just mix them with a spatula a few times before using the blender. Just transferring them to a bigger bowl. Blend them well. Add in the dry ingredients in 2 parts and fold in gently. Add in half a cup of chopped dark chocolate chips and incorporate gently. I have used 7 by 7 inch square baking tray. Place a parchment paper and transfer the batter. Even it out with a spatula. And top them with more chocolate chips, around 1/4 of a cup of dark chocolate chips. Bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. It's beautifully baked. After it cools down completely, let it firm in refrigerator for half an hour before cutting. Treat yourself and your friends with these yummy, healthy brownies on the International Women's Day Eve, and I'm sure they'll be surprised to know about the ingredients. Happy Women's Day! Hope you all like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and share your feedback. Take care. Thank you. Bye.